Immediate turn on, horizon balance. Did my video do any leveling? Check 1, 2, 3. 3-second, deactivate the auto off, turn the shutter on. Did the camera do any leveling? Check 1, 2, 3. Mode on, wait 5 seconds, hit the shutter. Did the camera do any leveling? Horizon balance. 1, 2, 3. Using the remote control, horizon balance, starting and stopping the video to see if it's leveled. Check 1, 2, 3. Using the remote control on a flat surface, mode on, do the video scene, shut off, walk for 30 seconds to a flat surface, check 1, 2, 3. Horizon balance. It's random. Not all videos will do that. Balance. If I switch off to rock steady and do the same test, will I see the same results? Playback. If I swipe up, I can't go to the previous videos. Maybe it's cold fingers, something I'm doing, but if I go into the 4 little squares, pick a video, and then enables me to go into a video or 2. So those are the 2 things: horizon balance, gyro, playback. When I get out of here, I'll do the rock steady to see if it balances. I'll do that now. Instant on, rock steady, gyro, balancing. In standard. I see it in wide. Test 1, 2, 3. Interrupt 3 seconds. Hit the shutter. Horizon balance is not on. Rock steady. Gyro balance. Test 1, 2, 3. Mode on. Let the pop-up disappear. Shutter. Horizon balance not on. Rock steady is. Test 1, 2, 3. Remote control. Horizon balance not on. Rock steady is. For gyro balance. Test 1, 2, 3. And of course the stationary shot. Horizon balance not on. Rock steady is. Test 1, 2, 3. In standard, de-warp. If we're in wide, that is what I've noticed. Also maybe in de-warp. I'm trying to make a mental note, a note on paper, so I could share this issue that 1 or 2 people are talking about. I changed over to wide, what I like. And in order for me to make it just a little bit narrower, I use Rocksteady Plus. And this will give me the image stabilization I could use, try out with Gyro if it will work. Well, I kind of said what I had to say, shared what I had to show, and show it online so you all could figure out if you got an issue. Why don't you test out your camera, put it on your channel, and see what other people say. Until DJI can mature the camera, we're all going to have issues. And look, everybody's still complaining on the Action 4 of what they want. Look, there's a glowing dark alien. I'm kind of like, did a short review, a test review. I'm not going to go a little crazy trying to fill in spots. I'm Fish, and I see you on many other videos to come.